It's been phenomenal, and it's been a collaborative team effort between Mace, Lucas and all the other MEP trades working in the area, all kind of like having to work around an existing ceiling whilst factoring in all of the MEP necessities in there, brought together, build information modelling, which kind of like brings all the M&E together to allow it to work in this space. The lifeblood of the control room is actually all the services that you can see above you that eventually, once it's been painted and glazed, that you won't ever see again. We've had to bring in all kind of like the new MEP inside here, so if you look through you can see the fire sprinklers, you can see the cables ready to take the lights, and you can see on the edges for here the air conditioning ready to come as well, which will all be brought to life when we start to second fix the ceiling and when we start to paint it and decorate it. It has been a bit of a case of having to kind of explore the condition of what the metalwork is in to make sure it's kind of restored so it's safe, easy to use, and also kind of fits in with the profile so when we come to bring it back to life, it doesn't stand out. So you've got what's known as the embossed panels. So it's a kind of a decorative metal piece that we've had to take out, lay on the floor, flatten out, and then we've done paint sampling to try and bring it back to the colour that we think is going to kind of complement the gold that we're going to decorate. And then we've used kind of like modern techniques to kind of raise it back in, fix it into place and ensure it's a smooth finish as part of the ceiling structure.